And many of us, mga kapatid, have been in a depression, fear, worry, anxiety, and we don't know what to do. Nung naranasan ko to sa aking buhay, I feel hopeless. I wanted to quit many times. Ang feeling ko hindi ako makapag-function ng tama. Ang feeling ko ninanakawan ko yung buong GSMNB Global Family. But I thank the Lord for the leaders that God has placed in my life, for the friends that God has placed in my life, kasi iningatan nila ako, pinanalangin nila ako, tinulungan nila ako makalagpas. Most of the depressions that we have, galing yan sa anxiety. Galing yan sa ating sadness na hindi kagad natin na-deal. Ano ang sabi ng Proverbs chapter 12 verse 25? Anxiety in the heart of a man causes depression. Kasi extreme na yung anxiety ko. Bawat na lang may lalabas na news anchor sa balita, takot na ako, meron na namang negative to. But thank God for the blood of Jesus. We thank the Lord for His goodness.